everyone, Jennifer Lawrence here, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Florida Network Realty. Are you guys home for the holidays? Make sure you stop by my newest listing in Shearwater at 390 Beale Avenue. This Dreamfinders 2019 build, the Madison Floorplan, features 4 bedrooms, all upstairs, plus a loft, 3.5 baths, and over 2,700 square feet. The Shearwater community is one of the most sought after communities in St. Johns County simply for their amenities. You have a lazy river, pools, kayak launches, and so much more. This home is nestled in a quiet cul-de-sac and is ready for its new owners. Let's go inside, check this one out, and reach out to schedule your private showing today.